Good day everyone, Ace here from Ace Space Astrophotography, and today I'd like to show you what deep sky object I'm working on. And I'm working on M82, the Cigar galaxy. Thought I'd do something a little different than the moon. Alright, so here's the Cigar galaxy, and you can see a little bit of the starburst center coming along here. So in order to get the Cigar galaxy to look good, you need to shoot hydrogen alpha. If you don't do the hydrogen alpha, you're not going to get the starburst center. So right now I have 4 hours of hydrogen alpha, I've got 1 hour luminance, and I've got 10 minutes of each RGB. We'll just zoom in a little bit here, and you can just see the hydrogen alpha, the starburst center, starting to come off. This is only 4 hours, so I want to shoot 20 hours of hydrogen alpha, I want to shoot 10 hours of luminance, and I want to shoot 2 hours of each RGB. So that'll give me 36 hours of integration time. This is the longest time I've ever taken on a deep sky object. Hopefully this will turn out really good. So this is only 4 hours, but right now I have 12 hours of hydrogen alpha, and I need to get 8 more hours. So that'll get me up to 20 hours. So here's what I have so far. It's actually looking starting to look pretty good. So now I'd like to show you a little bit of some stuff inside of PixInsight here. I'll show you what 1 2-minute sub looks like. Let me get PixInsight open here. Alright, so here's 1 2-minute exposure of the Cigar galaxy, hydrogen alpha. So here you can see the Cigar galaxy, you can see the stars, and you can see all the nice little hot pixels in there. So this is what 1 2-minute sub looks like. Give me a second to open up 1 luminance frame, and you can see what 1 luminance frame looks like. Do the screen transfer on it. There we go. So here's 1 minute, 1 minute exposure, and this is luminance. Not too bad. You can see the Cigar galaxy pretty good. Nice round stars, and a little bit hot pixels, a little noisy background, but not too bad. Looks pretty good for 1 exposure, 1 60-second exposure. Give me a sec here, and I'll open up. Let's go open up the red frame. There's 60-second exposures too, and here's one screen transfer function on it. There we go. Doesn't look too bad. Round stars, you can see the Cigar galaxy, a little bit of hot pixels. So these are just 1 frame, like one exposure, that's it. So let me show you what they look like once they've been stacked. I'll load up my project. Alright. Alright, this will take a minute to load. I think my next target will be, I'll probably redo the Whirlpool Galaxy. I want to get more luminance data on it, and I want to try to put some hydrogen alpha into it, see if that makes it pop any better. Alright, so here we go. Project's all loaded up. So here's the final luminance RGB after I ran dynamic background extraction and everything else. Dynamic background extraction, and I think I did HHT on it. Oh, sorry, MMT, multi-scale medium transform. Alright, so this is all the hydrogen alpha data once I did the dynamic background extraction on it. And they've all been star aligned. So you can see the starburst center start to come out there. This is the luminance red, green, blue. After its dynamic background extraction, I run MMT on it. And that's what the luminance data looks like by itself. Actually turned out pretty well. And that's the blue data. Minimize these here, minimize them. And there's the green data. And the red data. These are all after they've been stacked and had dynamic background extraction ran on them. So this was the LRGB, and you've seen what the Cigar Galaxy looked like once I added the hydrogen alpha into it. So I think it turned out pretty good for just 4 hours of hydrogen alpha, 1 hour luminance, and 30 minutes of RGB. Actually turned out pretty good. So I'll run another video once I've got all my 36 hours of integration time done. Hopefully it won't take too much longer to do. It's been a couple months now, so hopefully I'll get it completed soon. And when I do, I'll run another video. So thanks for watching. And if you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up. And if you like it good enough, please subscribe. Thank you very much. Ace out.